So ayan guys, good evening sa atin lahat guys. So, gabi na naman. Ayun o guys, so gabi na naman guys. Yan o. Gabi na naman dito sa amin, ayun o. Pero ano, gabi na o. Dilim na. Diba? Gabi na naman. Ayan, may buwan na nga guys o. Ayan o, may buwan na. May buwan na guys kasi gabi na. Diba? Time check. Time check 6:40. 6:40 guys, time check natin. Ayan. Ayan yung ating moonlight. Ayan o. Ano siya guys? Parang half moon lang. Half moon. Half moon. Half moon in the sky. Half moon up in the sky. Half moon in the sky. Very beautiful sky. We have a half moon guys from the sky. Half moon from the sky guys. That is a half moon from the sky. We have if I can still looking for, cause I wonder where you are. We have cloudy. Have a cloudy together moon. Together with moon. Ito yung mga ganap dito sa lugar namin guys. Ito yung mga ganap. Very beautiful moon. Very beautiful moon guys. See? Very beautiful moon. We have a cloudy with moon. Very nice moon. That is a half moon. Guys, half moon. Time check guys, time check. 6:45 and evening. nice color in the sky. We have an half moon and then cloudy. Cloudy with half moon. Moon, look guys, moon. Guys, moon. Very nice moon. Very nice moon, guys. Moon with cloud. Moon with cloud. Nice, 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 nice. Nice half moon. Half moon, guys. That is a half moon. Guys, that is a moon. Thank you guys. Bye 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 bye. Good evening all.